Folks, I wanted to talk on this video today about something I've been hearing from a range of our clients. We work with a number of SaaS companies which are in the startup and growth phase of their SaaS business. And one of the key measures and key challenges and issues that the founders of a SaaS business or a new sort of startup tech company will mention is the ability to model their financials and have scenarios in relation to their financial forecasting. So this is all about looking ahead and looking at preparing budgets for different scenarios in their business in relation to different subscriber uptake numbers, the impact of certain marketing events in terms of attending various exhibitions and so on. Not that that's much an issue obviously at the moment. The cost and implications of hiring different developers and staff at different points in time, the impact on their customer cost of acquisitions in relation to different activities that they're involved with. And whilst we understand that, yes, that is exactly where you've got to get to as a SaaS business, and especially even in the startup phase and the early growth phase of a SaaS company, this is where it fits in very nicely with one of our core values at Cloud 360 Accounting, which is the 360 degrees of looking at your business. So that core value for us involves the past, the present, and the future. So it's about learning from your past, knowing your present, and planning for your future. Now, there is a 3-step process there to get through in order to be getting to the stage where you're planning for the future. And what we do at Cloud 360 Accounting with the SaaS companies that we work with is we take them through that process. So learning from the past is quite simply getting your numbers up to date. And when I say up to date, I don't mean to your last year end. I mean up to last month or certainly last week. Right bang up to date to find out what has happened in the past and what does those numbers tell you about the performance of your SaaS company. It's also making sure that the processes you have in place to produce your financial numbers are as automated as they possibly can be. And again, because we are in the cloud accounting space and we've worked with digital tech and apps for the last 10 years, that's where our expertise comes in. We will build a financial system for a SaaS company in an automated fashion as we possibly can so that you are able to learn from the past very quickly. And the second part of that this exercise leads into nicely is knowing your present. Because once your numbers are up to date and you're dealing with real-time information, you can make decisions a lot quicker. And if the systems that have been built are reliable and being operated by competent people, which we hopefully are at Cloud 360 Accounting, the data that you're going to get out and the numbers you'll get out will be much more reliable. But the big part of it as well, in terms of knowing your present, is having someone like ourselves explain what these figures mean in language that you totally understand, of course, as well, so that you can totally understand where your business is at in your own terminology. That will take you on to the last phase, which is planning for your future. So you're into your projections and budgeting forward, and you may want to have different budgets for different things. And again, at Cloud 360, we have a number of different apps and software that we will use to plug into the likes of your Xero system to produce these financial budgets and forecasts for you. If that is something that you are interested in as a SaaS company, as a founder, as a new tech company, and you're in the sort of startup or growth phase, please get in touch with us. I'm more than happy to have a chat. Drop your details below, drop us a message, and we'll be in touch.